For a mom who feels disconnected from her strength after having a baby, how would you encourage her to rebuild that confidence?
I do really think you have to start from the ground up. And like, you do need to think about how you're breathing, think about how you're holding yourself, because the disconnect is probably coming from the way you're holding yourself day to day. Like, I just don't think we see ourselves the way other people see us, or like even just the way like a fitness professional would see. Like, it's so blatantly obvious. If I was to like look at a woman, like, and I say like, oh, stand in front of me or stand like to the side, like I can see why your back would hurt, why you can't feel your abdominals, why you feel like you have a low belly pooch, or like you don't have good posture. Like, these things hurt. It's because you need to come back to the breath. You need to find the stack of your rib cage and your pelvic floor, right? Like, all of the things that I talk about all the time, like that's how you're going to bring it back. Because right now you're just so like, you're like so open and forward, and you don't have a solid foundation, right? Your knees are probably locking out. You're clenching on your glutes. Your ribs are flaring, and you're just like using like superficial muscles to like do the job that your deep core should be doing. And it's not. Right. And that's just like, I just don't see how we could look at someone like that and then be like, okay, you're going to get back to back squatting. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Like, let's go do a barbell hip thrust. Let's not. Like, because you do, like, there's certain things that happen when you give birth. Like, your ass literally disappears. Like, it just goes away. Like, no matter how big of a butt like you had, it's just like, just goes. And the traditional things that you might have used before you had kids to like get it back, it just doesn't work, because it's coming from like a more internal place of like holding. So like all the things that we talk about, like that's where it has to come from. And it requires a little bit of patience, right? So like, I made a product, it's called Ass and Abs. It's 6 minutes a day. Who doesn't have 6 minutes? Literally. And it'll teach you those like little pieces. And then I have like Ass and Abs 2.0. That's like 18 minutes, right? But it's like someone telling you exactly what to do. That's like approaching the joints in the way that like you should. And like it builds you back up to like jumping. But like Ass and Abs 1 is just like reintroducing you to like your hamstrings, your breathing, your abdominals. Like, those are the things that you need to start with, because you're not going to have a lot of time. You're not going to be able to do 3 1-hour long workouts unless you have like a full-time nanny and you could do whatever you want. That's not the people that I work with. So little by little, if 6 minutes a day, like your brain like learns so much faster by just that repetition, the daily repetition of it. So it's like, you got to keep it simple and you got to keep it small. And then maybe you end up doing like 3 of the days in a row and you make it to 20 minutes. But like, it doesn't have to be, you like set the bar low and then get there.